When you go out into the world and you look for these projects, it's becoming increasingly harder. These cars are super rare, super hard to find, and you kind of gotta take what you find. Unfortunately, through the 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s, these cars have been beat up, chopped, drug around, left outside. And so you have to just kind of take it, put a hope and a prayer out there that it's going to be a solid car. But until you get it back into the shop, you strip it all down and you get it to its bones and its roots, you really don't know what you're dealing with. And then at that point, what you have to do is you got to cut out all this cancer and all this life out of it. You got to reset the project. And I've seen cars held together with chicken wire, tar, pop rivets, shoes. I mean, guys were really creative back then on the way they had to do things, and they were limited. So it's my job to get into this thing, rebirth it, bring it back to life. And if you can do that with functionality, design, and spirit of personality all mixed together, you can come up with something very special. And that's the 34 Hard Shop project.